discussed earlier, there were three scenarios. First scenario was that we have to look for buying opportunities above this level only in half quantity and for scalping purpose only, because it is very volatile area. Until and unless it crosses this zone, this whole zone, we have to look for buying opportunities, and only above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. And as we discussed, there is an entry here and you can aim for the target till here. Okay, so those who haven't got entry, please wait and wait for any retracement. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. We have got a 36 pips point in here also in scalping, and above this level we have to look for buying opportunities in full quantity. So those who haven't taken, please wait for a right entry. Any retracement till here, then only take trade. And those who have taken, please trail your SL to cost or a little below to cost, because it is in here. The another reason I told, see, on weekly basis, so on weekly basis it looks like all the aggressive sellers have been overcome by the buyers, and on hourly basis you can see there is a bullish double bottom type of pattern on hourly basis. If in here you see double pattern, this is called double bottom, and it has crossed this level, so there are very high chances that it will give a target till here 157. Okay, so nothing major. Those who haven't taken trade, they can aim for retracement and then only take trade. Still this area will be for scalping and in half quantity only, nothing major change. And below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities in half quantity and for scalping only. Okay, Euro USD, same, nothing major. We had decided that below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and we got an entry too. And first target was 15 pips and second target was of 25 pips. So I didn't expected a sudden fall, major fall below this level also, but it gave, that's good. But I have exited in here only, so I'll modify new support and resistances. Support and resistances have been modified, so the type of retracement it is giving, there are very high chances that it can further give a downside move or it can retrace. So we have to avoid this area because it is making an inverted head and shoulders type of pattern, and that it is very likely that it will make this type of pattern and then go upwards, or until and unless it crosses this level we have to look for shorting opportunity only. And above this level, until and unless it makes some consolidation or gives some consolidation, then only we have to look for buying opportunities. Till then it's better we don't trade in this area. Okay, above this level you have to look for buying opportunities, and below this level only we have to look for shorting opportunities. So in Bitcoin also nothing major. We had to look for scalping opportunities and in half quantity, and above this level we had to look for buying opportunities, and in here also we have got 1000 points easily. Okay, but in half quantity only. Reason being, this is a volatile area. You can see very sharp upside move and sharp downside move, so it's better to avoid at this area. And still at this level we have to look for buying opportunities. Any movement till here we have to look for buying opportunities. Any movement above this level and a strong close above this level, if market stays, then we have to look for buying opportunities from here till here. Same here, until and unless this whole level is crossed, you have to look for scalp opportunities in half quantity only. Below this level we have to look for buying selling opportunities, and below this in full quantity selling. Okay, so it is in a range for a long time, so it's better we avoid trading. So in gold has given an unexpected move and a stop loss. So in here we have decided that we have to look for buying opportunities once a retracement comes. There came a retracement on 15 minutes. You can see there was a retracement and a buying. We had taken a trade above here and our stop losses got it. Okay, so below this level we had to look for shorting opportunities. So you can see below this level we had got a shorting opportunity. It has recovered our stop loss. So from here till here we have got 330 pips, given first and second target too, and we have exited in here first target and in here in second quantity. It will give a further downward. I wasn't expecting it because this was the area of buying opportunities and I had expected a bounce from here. So nothing, so no problem, we had got a good points. Okay, so I'll modify new support and resistances. So new support and resistances have been modified. So to avoid any sudden downside move, it's better that you take shorting opportunities at this level only. Below this level, you have to look for shorting opportunities. This will be a no trades area because of the volatility. Okay, and above this level, we have to look for buying opportunities in half quantity because the chances are it can give a downside move. And another thing is we have to look for buying opportunities in here. Okay, so any shorting opportunity, take in half quantity. Half quantity, you take in half quantity, and at this level we have to look for full quantity trade only if it gives a bullish type of pattern, which is double bottom type of pattern. And below this level only we have to look for shorting opportunity, because you can see how market performs. It usually goes and it retraces till 50% of the movement and then continues on giving the momentum and continues going in the direction of the trend. So this is not a trend break, it is not a major downtrend, it is just a retracement. See, the whole move is from here till here, it is just 50% of the retracement. Okay, so it's better. Usually gold moves like that. You can see in here it retracements almost 50% to 70%. You see, out of this whole move It retraced till 70% of the movement and then continued the move. Consider it just a retracement until and unless this level is broken, this bold move. Okay, until and unless 4200 is broken, we have to wait. Okay, at this level we have to look for buying opportunities only if W pattern gets made like this, like it has made in here, same like here. If you get any chance, then you have to look for buying opportunities till here, and until and unless this happens, you have to not take trade, and you don't have to take any trade here. Okay, any buying opportunity you can take in half quantity, and in here you have to look for shorting opportunities with full quantity, because current small trend is on the downside. Okay, if you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.